Okay, so everybody's favorite Jippo logger got the shit kicked out of him the other day. This is my trusty MacT, and had a limb come down and give me a good wallop. Broke the rubber, the plastic suspension part, sheared the rivet right off. It was in there, but it fell out. Anyhow, brand new suspension. I actually put it in yesterday morning. So, good thing too, I guess. Anyhow, so you see I've already replaced one. That one, it corroded and came apart. They're just little steel things. Anyhow, I got this old dented one. It came with the log truck when I bought it. So we're gonna steal one of the clips out of here and fix my hat, because when they get dented and dinged like that, I can pound them out. But A, this ain't my hat. I'm gonna hang on to it for the guy who bought it. It's got a hole drilled in it, and that's no good. When they crack, or like a big crease right there, that, oh shit, that's a crack. Once they're cracked, they're pretty much done. So you just hang them on the wall and forget about it. Anyhow, so what we gotta do, fire up the old drill and Jesus, just drill the rivet out. Harvest the, oh, I should have harvest spare parts. Let me go find a punch real quick. When in doubt, overkill. Or not. Unexpected situation. Oh, it's almost there. There it goes. Okay, so got your dealio. Your pop rivet. Might take a little bit of drilling to get it to go through, but that's easy enough done. You'll see that one. Like this set comes with 2 8-inch drill bits. Ooh, getting crusty. Wrong damn size. Okay, so it's 5:30 seconds. Let's see if we can slice through our hands. Vice grips. Sometimes hindsight is 20/20, you know what I mean? It's snug, but that's fine. You kind of actually want it to be a little bit snug. So if you're doing this, you kind of want to go from the we'll cheat a little bit. So, see, it's all the way down against there. And the back and my neck are pretty jacked up today. Anyhow, pop her in there. She looks good. Is that the right one on there? Hell no. That's better. Anyhow. And send her home. Come on. This is awkward as hell. That's it. You see, I've already done one like that. Now, whether that's kosher or not, I don't know. But I like this hat. This one saved my life twice now. So one of the things about these aluminum hats, they don't get ruined by the sun. But the suspension does wear out. It gets old, gets cracked, gets brittle. When it gets brittle, it doesn't protect you as good. And every time you get hit, you're supposed to replace them. And that being said, I've been logging for 9 years, and I've gone through 7 or 8 of these freaking suspensions, and they're good for 5 years. So, anyhow, that's all. Little MacT MacDonald. Put this one back together. Back to logging. We'll talk to y'all later.